guys, Matt Thompson from 3D Offroad. You guys, we've been talking about JKs and the influx of this year. It seems like that everybody's starting to rebuild their JKs. They've had them for a long time. You know, they're wanting to do some new upgrades. You know, maybe go hit another trail. Maybe they're pushing it a little harder. Maybe their suspension's wore out and they're trying to upgrade to something new. And what we've got is we have a really special build going on here with, I mean, a slew of parts. We are going to completely revamp this JK. It is getting a 426 Hemi. We're doing Currie Dana 60s. We're doing a Rebel coilover kit coupled with the Alpine long arm kit from Teraflex. We're doing new seats with heated AC in them. We're going to be doing all new PSC steering in this thing. New bumpers from Nemesis Offroad. Just to be able to get all the cooling capacity we can for this 426. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am. We're doing our, as usual, Nitto 40-inch trail grapplers. This thing is going to be super epic. I cannot wait for you guys to see the transformation in this and all of the goodies as this thing goes. Behind me is the 2017 JK that got the total makeover, and here's what she looks like. right, so now that you guys have seen this absolutely amazing JK, let me tell you guys a little bit about it. So the customer came to us, wanted to do a total transformation. He's had it since it was new. And we just started going over options. What his wish lists were, you know, what the budget is, where are you at? What kind of trails are you doing? What do you do with the Jeep? Is it a mall crawler? Do you just daily drive it? Do you take it to car shows? What is it that you do? And so we got all those little bit of details and we started doing this build list. And, you know, his first thing first was doing the America's Most Wanted 426. Then he had stock axles. It was not a Rubicon, so it had a Dana 30 up front, Dana 44 in the rear. So we were like, look, here's some weak spots. This is some stuff that you're going to want to address. Then he was like, all right, well, give me that price. Let's talk about that. So then he decided he wanted to do 40-inch tires, and we're like, look, you really, really need to do axles to have that security and that knowledge of like, you're going to be okay no matter what trail you're on. So we decided to go with the Currie 60s front and rear. And to couple all that together, we did the Jock high steer knuckles with their steering link system. We've done their anti-rock sway bars on this. We've done Adams drive shafts. We've done the Rebel coilover kit with the King coilovers and the King bumps. It really just helps that ride quality. You know, if you're out in washboarded roads and you come up to a big G out, it just really helps take that up and soak it up nice. You know, some of the other things that we've done are the PRP seats, heated and cooled front seats, PRP rear seat. We've replaced a lot of plastic inside, and just this overall package of this thing. The Nemesis new high clearance bumper that they have for the JKs is absolutely amazing. Drops the winch way down, gets everything tucked up nice and high, so you just have that extra ground clearance. It allowed for all of that airflow when we changed out the grill and the bumper to really just let that airflow come through and help keep this beast cool. So you guys, I can't wait for you to see all these details in it. This thing came together absolutely amazing. You know, some of the other things that we did too was when we had the body off, we power washed the whole chassis, cut off all of the old bracketry that had just been, you know, over the years for people adding stuff, taking stuff off. And when we power washed it all, we wire wheeled it nice and clean and then painted it with black steelite. And this thing just looks new underneath. It came out so clean, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the details.